This is, without question, the easiest appetizer in the world. It's nostalgic and it is completely delicious. I've now made this 5 times since I thought of it again. Obviously, I knew about it. The secret to this is Ritz Crackers! Remember these? If you think about a Ritz cracker, just like a Cheez-It is the same thing. These are actually exquisite crackers. The next time you eat a Cheez-It, also, think about how magic a Cheez-It is and how hard it is to make that. Ritz crackers are the same way. And somebody invented an idea to make Ritz Cracker Canapés, okay? This is what you do. You open the pack of Ritz crackers. You can do this, depending on your topping, you can do this way in advance, or if you have a very moist topping, you don't want to do it in advance because it'll moisten the cracker. So you take a Ritz cracker and eat it. You can do this any way you want. This is how I did it. Put a small, I have clean hands, you're going to put a small amount of cream cheese on it, like that. That's actually a lot. And you put another little bit of cream cheese. Now just follow me. You also use a little bit of mayonnaise. So a little squirt of mayonnaise, blip, blip. I used, this is manchego. So you're gonna cut a kind of a sliver of manchego, like this, right? Like these size. You're gonna put it on top of your Ritz cracker and press down. So put the cheese on. I'm telling you, these are gonna change your life. And then you kind of press down on the cheese to make it a little more uniform. Okay, that's okay, but it could look better. So what I do is I use hot pepper jelly that I made from chilies from my house, which is so awesome. But you can use anything. You can use a slice of quick pickle. You can use a slice of a gherkin that you bought that has those cool little plastic things where you can pull the gherkins up. You can use nothing. You can put pepper. You can put a little piece of smoked fish on this. I'm telling you, it's the most versatile thing you've ever experienced in your life. I think this is very festive. So I just put a little bit of hot pepper jelly, like that, and it's cute. So it's a nostalgic, cute thing. Is there a problem with this? Can somebody tell me, is there a problem with a Ritz Cracker Canapé? It comes out, look at that. Don't bite it, put it in your mouth all at once, like this. I don't know what to say. That's fantastic. I love it to bits, a Ritz. Don't bite it, put it in your mouth all at once, like this.